Hi, everybody. So I'm going to reflect on assignment two and just kind of my experience with my team and some things that I took away that I thought were beneficial. So the first thing, my experience on the process. So I really liked working as a team because it broke up the information and we were able to become experts on a specific topic. And we were able to take what the other people were learning and experiencing and put it all together and kind of note how all of our things work together. I really appreciated our various walks of life because it gave us a wide variety on our insight and our opinions and some things that we experience in the classroom that maybe some of our teammates do not experience in the classroom. And I just thought that that was helpful. So, some things that I learned about using a blog in the classroom to involve parents and how that can be super helpful and essentially like your classroom newsletter because the parents can go on and check whenever they want. It's easy for the teacher to update. The parents get to choose if they're wanting to look at it. And it's a lot faster than formatting a letter and printing it and sending it home with each student. It's just something that I kind of took away from that. I also learned something that was really interesting that collaboration means that you're working together to solve a problem and come to a solution. It does not mean that you're splitting up the work and taking responsibility for different parts of the assignment. And I just thought that this was great for us to teach our students is that when we're doing a project and we're wanting them to collaborate together, they're not splitting up to the work to finish in the quickest way possible. They are working together and finding a solution as a team. Something else I learned is the benefits of all things Google, how to implement it into the classroom, Google Classroom, Google Drives, Google Docs, etc. I also learned how hashtags, specifically through Twitter, can be helpful to teachers. And when teachers are looking to learn about a topic that's interesting to them, they can search hashtags and kind of find different articles or view different opinions. Not necessarily that everything that people post online in their opinion is the best opinion, but it kind of gives us insight on what other people are thinking and what other people are learning. So I thought that that was pretty interesting. So some takeaways that I had in classroom, how I want to implement it in my classroom. I already use Google Tools for myself and my students, but I want to implement my use of Google Tools more, specifically Google Classroom. I want that to drive my classroom this year. Um, I took away how beneficial social media was to the parents in the community. It was really great to have parents and community involvement and them seeing what we're doing and inviting people to view our work and just having everybody involved in our learning with us. I want to create a blog or an Instagram or something that my students can share their work on for their parents to see because there are a lot of parents that can't come in for those nights that we have at school to view their work. And then how to use social media in a positive way, how the importance of making sure that we're covering all of our bases and we're having waivers signed. And that's something specifically that I learned in my research, and how students love to see their work presented and how that really benefits them as learners. And also that students love the opportunity to share with each other and with their peers, and that they really love being able to talk to one another, and social media is a great tool for the classroom. So this was super fun. I really liked getting to work with people in my class directly instead of just commenting on their discussion boards. So I thought that this was super helpful for us.